everyone, welcome back to Noel Crafts. In today's episode I'm going to show you how to crochet these beautiful crochet mini hats. They are so basic and they are only one row, which means they are very quick, beginner friendly. For this tutorial you can use any yarn that you have, but just make sure you are going to use the recommended hook on that yarn. Our first step, we are going to tie a loose knot because we are not going to make a magic ring. So this loose knot is going to be used as our magic ring. So using your tail yarn over your two fingers, yarn over for the second time, then make sure this tail yarn passes in between your fingers and your yarn like this, then pull it through, and there you have a loose loop. After this we are going to insert your hook, then yarn over, pull through, and there we have it. From here we are going to chain 3 stitches, 1, 2 and 3. After this we are going to crochet 4 double crochet stitches. So yarn over into your loop, insert your hook, yarn over one more time, pull through. You'll have 3 stitches on your hook, crochet through the first 2. You'll have 2 stitches remaining on your hook, then crochet through the last 2 like this. There you have your first double crochet stitch. We are going to crochet 3 more double crochet stitches. Yarn over, pull through. You'll have the 3 stitches, and just like before you crochet through the first 2, then you'll have 2 stitches, crochet through the last 2, and there we have our second double crochet stitch. Let's make the third. Our third double crochet stitch is done. Then our fourth double crochet stitch is done. You can push them together. This is how they look. After this we are going to chain 2, 1 and 2. Then we are going to make a picot stitch. So below the chain, where the chain started, these 2 loops that are below the chain, insert your hook in them like this, then yarn over, pull through. You'll have 2 stitches on your hook, then crochet through the 2 stitches like this. That's a single crochet stitch. After the picot stitch we are going to crochet 4 double crochet stitches, just like we did right here. So yarn over into the loop, yarn over, pull through. You'll have the 3 stitches on your hook, crochet through the first 2, then through the last 2. There we have our double crochet stitch. We are going to add 3 more double crochet stitches. This is our last double crochet stitch. Put them together. After this we are going to chain 3 stitches, 1, 2 and 3. Then back in our loop we are going to crochet a slip stitch. So yarn over, then pass through the stitch that was on your hook like that. So this is how our project looks. From here we are going to pull our tail yarn, which is this one, so that we can reduce the gap of our project. So just pull and it will seal everything together like that. After reducing that gap, you can see we have our little hat right there. From here we are going to cut off our working yarn, which is this one on the finger. Just cut it off, then pull that yarn off. Then we will have 2 ends to weave in, which is the working yarn and our tail yarn. So see you once you've woven in your all ends woven in, and this is how my mini hat looks. The tutorial for this little mini hat was as easy as you saw. You can make them in as many colors as you want, and if you want to alter the size to make it very tiny or very small, just use a thinner yarn, which is very thin, and a much smaller hook. This is what you're going to end up with. This is it for this tutorial. This is all I had for you on this crochet mini hat tutorial. If you like this tutorial, please do give me a thumbs up and a subscribe, and I would really appreciate. Until next time, bye bye.